Hello, I am Souvik Sen of Netaji Subhash Engineering College. Today I'll be showing you how to generate a report on Pi horn antenna, which can be also called as pyramidal horn antenna. This is the input portion for the feed element and this is the antenna. So let's start. We have to make a report, laboratory report. We can give an image of the file and mention the length of the feed elements as well as other dimensions, and we can give the information about this and the frequency sweep settings 8 to 24 gigahertz. Since it doesn't stop after also 24 gigahertz, we can give it a long frequency range also. Let's go to results. In the first XY plot we can see the reflection coefficient graph with respect to the frequency. It has a lower cutoff frequency of 15 gigahertz and we can mention it. It also has a lower cutoff frequency at 23 gigahertz. We can mention it in our report like this. We can add multiple cutoff frequencies depending on how much we get. Here bandwidth calculation is not possible since the range is short and 8 to 24 gigahertz only. If we do it for 8 to 40 or 50 gigahertz, we can get a bandwidth. In the 3D polar plot, we can see has more over the z-axis and lesser over the negative z-axis. In the XY plot 2, we can see the gain phi and gain theta curves for 90 degree and 0 degree. These are for theta and phi, 90 degree and 0 degree. These are for theta and phi for 0 degree and 90 degree respectively. For XY plot 6, it's a similar graph as XY plot 2, and to see the port field display, I need to go to the main and select mode 1, and we can see it from the other side. The electric field is going from bottom to top. Since there are no field overlays, our report generation would be consisting of all these. The blue portions showing the least amount of gain and giving all the graphs. We can also show the design properties here with HFSS and design properties, giving the required length, waveguide length BA SB SA HRAD BRAD for radiation boxes created. So this is how you create a pyramidal horn antenna report, and we can add discussions at the end of the report saying what can be done to increase the antenna radiations. Thank you. This is Souvik Sen of Netaji Subhash Engineering College.